Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn 8th problem. Earlier we learned marginal costing problems. In that, sales variable cost and fixed cost are given. If sales variable cost and fixed cost are given, that we consider as type 1 question. Here let me see the problem. Given year 2016-2017, two periods are given. Then sales and profit of two periods are given. We should consider that one as type 2. So the questions are two type. One is type 1. In type 1, sales, variable cost and fixed cost are given. In type 2, sales and profit of two periods are given. Here I am going to solve the problem. Listen carefully. Here sales profit in 2016, sales is 5 lakh. In that year, profit 1 lakh. In 2017, sales is 7 lakh 50,000. Profit is 2 lakh 25,000. This is type 2 question. Find out PVR, profit volume ratio. Question number 1. Normally, the formula for profit volume ratio, contribution divided by sales into 100. But in this case, the formula will change. It will go like this. Change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. We have to change the PVR formula. What is the formula? Normally we'll apply this formula, contribution divided by sales in 100. If profit and sales of two period are given, we have to adopt the new formula, change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. Or we can write difference in profit divided by difference in sales into 100. You can write any one formula. Yes. Now, first year profit how much? 1 lakh. Second year profit how much? 2 lakh 25,000. The difference how much? 1 lakh 25,000. Difference means you have to deduct. Both year profits are given, you have to deduct and take the value. If any one loss is given, that should be added. We have to add that one. Here both are profit, so deduct, take that difference. Likewise, first year sales 5 lakh, second year sales is 7 lakh 50. The difference how much? 2 lakh 50,000 into 100. So our PVR 50%. This 50% PVR for 2016 as well as for 2017. Okay. Now we ascertained PVR. Then second question, we have to find fixed cost. Second, we have to find fixed cost. Formula, sales into PVR minus profit. Sales into PVR minus profit. If loss are given, you have to add here. If loss are given, sales into PVR plus loss. If profit is given, sales into PVR minus profit. Yes. Now, first year, 2016. Sales how much? 5 lakh. PVR how much? PVR is common. Minus profit 1 lakh. So, 5 lakh into 50%, 2 lakh 50 minus 1 lakh. Balance 1 lakh 50,000 is the fixed cost. Then I am going to calculate fixed cost for 2017. Sales is 7 lakh 50, PVR 50%, profit in that year 2 lakh 25,000. 7 lakh 50 into 50%, 3 lakh 75,000 minus 2 lakh 25,000 equal to, the fixed cost should be same for both year. Then only our answer is correct. Next formula, once again I am repeating, we have to calculate the fixed cost. Formula is sales into PVR minus profit. If loss are given, sales into PVR plus loss. Okay. Next, third question, BEP in rupees. BEP in rupees. What is the formula? Fixed cost divided by PVR. Fixed cost, we can take one value. PVR how much? 50%. So our BEP 3 lakh rupees. We have to calculate a BEP for 1 year, that's enough. Next, margin of safety for both period. Margin of safety in rupees. What is the formula? I said use always profit divided by PVR. They are asking for both period. So we have to calculate for 2016 as well as for 2017. Profit of the first year 1 lakh divided by 50% equal to rupees 2 lakh. Second year 2 lakh 25,000 divided by 50% equal to rupees 4 lakh 50,000 is the margin of safety. Then next question, they are asking variable cost for the both period. Variable cost for the both period. If they ask variable cost for both period, we have to prepare statement of marginal costing. Statement of marginal costing. We have to prepare for 2016 as well as for 2017. Sales given in the question 5 lakh. For second period 7 lakh 50,000. Variable cost we do not know. Contribution we do not know. Fixed cost we know. Each year 1 lakh 50,000. Profit given in the question. Profit first year 1 lakh. Second year 2 lakh 25,000. Now I am going to calculate contribution. I said many times contribution is nothing but PVR. So here 50%. So variable cost also 50%. So 2 lakh 50. Deduct this. This is 2 lakh 50. 3 lakh 75,000. 3 lakh 75,000. Deduct this, you will get this. Listen students, here normally in type 1 sales, variable cost and fixed cost are given, but in type 2 sales and profit of 2 years are given. So in that time we have to change the PVR formula. The formula is change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. The difference in profit divided by difference in sales into 100. Then we have to find fixed cost. What is the formula? Sales into PVR minus profit. If loss are given, what we have to do? If loss are given, the loss should be added. If loss are given, then BEP, margin of safety, everything same. If they ask variable cost, you have to prepare a marginal costing statement. Sales of both period. 2016 sales 5 lakh, 7 lakh 50 given in the question, minus variable cost we do not know, contribution we do not know, but we know fixed cost 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50. Then I said contribution is nothing but PVR. So PVR is 50%, means variable cost also 50%. Then this is variable cost of 2 period. Then last question. The last question, sixth one. Sales when profit is 3 lakh, that we called desired profit. That we called desired profit or required profit in rupees. What is the formula? I said fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PVR. Fixed cost how much? 1,50,000. Desired profit, required profit how much? 3 lakh. 3 lakh. Our PVR is 50%. So 4,50,000 divided by 50% equal to rupees 9 lakh. So if we want to earn profit of 3 lakh, we should sell for 9 lakh. Students, today we are going to learn 2 problems. We completed 1 problem. Now we will start the second problem. Now I am going to solve sum number 9. It is same as it is the 8th sum, but only one difference. Look at the problem. In last problem, year given 2016 and 2017 are given. 2 different year are given, correct? But in this problem, first half year, second half year are given. Listen, 2 different years are given. or first 6 month, second 6 month. So 1 year divided into 2 parts are given. So you have to look at the problem carefully. So look at the period ending. If 2 years are given, that is model number 8th sum. First half year, second half year are given, adopt this method. Yes, listen, look at this. Same question they are asking, PVR, adopt same formula. What is the formula? Change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. You can write change or difference. Here the difference how much? 1,25,000. Here the difference is 2,50,000. So profit difference 1,25,000. Sales difference 2,50,000. So our PVR 50%. This we learned already. Then second one, fixed cost they are asking. Formula sales into PVR, profit volume ratio minus profit. I am repeating, sales into PVR minus profit. If loss is given, you have to add. So first half year, then second half year. First half year, second half year. First half year sales how much? 5 lakh. PVR 50%. Profit 1 lakh. So 2,50,000 minus 1 lakh equal to 1,50,000. Then second year, second part, 7,50,000 into 50% minus 2,25,000. So 7,50,000 into 50%, 3,75,000 minus 225 equal to 1,50,000. Same thing. Keep it in mind. In last problem, two different year. Here 1 year divided into 2 parts. First half year, second half year. First 6 months, second 6 months. First half, second half. If they give like that, same as it is we followed in the sum number 8. Now third, break-even point in rupees. What is the formula? Fixed cost divided by PVR. Fixed cost divided by PVR. Here they asked BP for whole year. So we have to add the fixed cost. Total fixed cost how much? 3 lakh divided by 50% equal to 6 lakh rupees. If different years are given, different year 2016, 2017, take one fixed cost. If 2 periods are given, 2 half years are given, you have to add this fixed cost. So total fixed cost how much? 3 lakh. When we should use total fixed cost? If 2 half years are given. If 2 different years are given, we can take one fixed cost. 2 half year are given, you have to add that 2 half period fixed cost. You should write total fixed cost. Next, fourth one, margin of safety in rupees. What is the formula? Profit divided by PVR. This is also for whole year. This is also for whole year. If 2 half periods are given, definitely they will ask BEP and margin of safety for whole year. So now profit divided by PVR. Total profit how much? 3,25,000 divided by PVR 50%. So 6,50,000 is our margin of safety. Students, here in first type, sales, variable cost and fixed cost are given. In second type, sales and profit of 2 period are given. In that time, you have to look at the period ending. If 2 different years are given, you can take fixed cost. One fixed cost you can take. If first half year and second half year are given, when you are taking fixed cost, you have to add these 2 fixed cost. Yes, thank you. We will see different problem in next class. Thank you.